Hi, I'm Larry Colson, founder of Sailfish Software. ProScribe is an AI-based application that guides your techs through documenting the repair after they finish it. It generates a cause and correction story that holds up for warranty and reads clean for the customer. Let me show you how it works. Let's start by verifying the concern, which turned out to be an alternator. So I'll select that component here. When the car came in, the ABS light was on and the battery light was on. I checked for DTCs. I found one present. It was an active code and a P0562. I routinely check for TSBs, and I didn't find any in this case. I checked the belt tensioner and the drive belts. They were working as intended. I had to remove some ductwork and the engine cover and a splash shield to get at the work. Tested the battery. It passed. It was rated at 850 cold cranking amps, tested out at 840, and the state of health was good. I did an alternator test, and that failed. It was rated at 14 volts at 120 amps and tested out at 10 volts and 80 amps. I inspected the alternator. I checked the power supply and ground, and you'll notice I don't have to fill out everything. I can put in what I want, and ProScribe will take care of it. Ultimately, I found that there was low voltage, and so I replaced the alternator. I reinstalled the components I had to take off. I did the final alternator test, and it passed. I charged the battery. I cleaned the cables and posts. I cleared the TTCs, and they did not return. I set the clock, and then I road tested the vehicle 8.5 miles and brought it up to operating temperature. At that point, I verified that the customer's concerns were corrected. Now ProScribe takes over and generates a write-up that illustrates the level of professionalism that your factory-trained technicians bring to each and every one of your customers. If you're tired of getting stories that don't communicate the value your trained technicians add, filled with misspellings, schedule a demo of ProScribe today. Thank you for watching.